It's the latest advance in high-tech hearing technology that lets you hear sounds you ordinarily wouldn't. It's so tiny, it's smaller than the latest cell phone technology, yet it lets you hear everything, even from clear across the room.
I'm finally going to ask Bob again. Wow, Bob, that's great. Congratulations.
The Micro Plus is tiny and discreet, just like the latest cell phone ear adapters. Its molded ear tip lets it easily fit your left or right ear comfortably. And since it's identical to a wireless earpiece, no one will ever suspect you have advanced hearing. Now you can sit at the back of the booth and clearly hear every word like you're sitting in the front row. Know where your kids are while they play outdoors. And even hear while you're relaxing outside. The Micro Plus picks up sounds from up to 90 feet